Whoa! So I just got up from my bed, and there's a lady outside. I don't know what is this lady wanting. Lady, I can't read, right? So I have to do this undisciplinary thing to do now. Is we don't receive a Robux. Okay, okay. I chill, I chill. This is stupid. Okay, now I can read what it says here behind this details behind this lady. Maybe that lady put it there in a band on accident. In a voice. That just color. You have to face reveal. Whoa. So if I touch money, which is the color green, I have to face reveal. It is so crap. It is so crap. If I touch this, I really have to face reveal. Wow. What's happening? Don't mind it. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, oh, my moments have been spared. I've died.